Guys, good morning. We are doing another simple video, but today I am the cameraman and we are making an amazing omelette because this is my son Oliver and he makes a far better omelette than me because my omelette days were a disaster. So Oliver, work away young man and let me see how you make this amazing omelette. Let's do it.
So first of all we need 2 eggs to crack it into our cup.
Oliver, you cracked them absolutely brilliant, kid.
We pour a little bit of milk, just a little bit. Now we give it a big stir. There we go. We turn on our pan. Yes. Now we let our pan rest and then we chop all our stuff up, just like one of these. We go.
Brilliant.
Whatever you want, you can put it in.
What are you putting in yours?
I always go for ham and mushrooms.
Lovely. You're not a fan of mushrooms, are you?
No.
Bacon would be lovely in there. Spinach is beautiful. Tomatoes is gorgeous. And we're using this for breakfast, guys, like an omelette. But you know, we would make then this for lunchtime. We would do a bigger one. We would do like 6 to 8 eggs, and we sort of bake it in the oven, which is gorgeous. Brilliant, Oliver.
Yes.
That looks great, young man.
So we turn up the heat just a little bit.
Smells great. You can put some herbs in there, guys, as well. A little bit of thyme, a little bit of rosemary. But this is Oliver's omelette, and he's been making this. You've been making, how long have you been making omelettes now, buddy? It's been a few months. And I have to say, guys, he makes a far better omelette than his daddy. I have to be honest there. Smells good, young man. Nice bit of cheese in there could be lovely. Emily, you like cheese, don't you?
But I don't.
Yes, you do like cheese. How's it looking, young man? You wash your fingers. Don't worry about that, that's perfect. Smells amazing, bud.
So when you think it's enough done, guys, we get our cracked eggs and a little bit of milk, and we pour it around just like this.
Brilliant, Oliver. Oliver, it smells absolutely brilliant, kid. Really, really lovely. And as I said, guys, we're using mushrooms here. We're using a little bit of ham. Bacon would be gorgeous. Tomatoes, basil, absolutely. Asparagus. There's just CGI in the background. You could put asparagus in here. All of that looks absolutely gorgeous, kiddo. Definitely better looking than Daddy's omelette at this stage, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think, Emily? Or
Good.
so this is a wee tip. This is a wee tip that Oliver came up with himself, guys. So Oliver, tell us the wee tip.
Well, we turn it off and then we put the plate on it.
Great. And what is that doing, Oliver?
It stops the heat getting out. No, it's, I don't know.
I know, that's what you're saying. It's basically just cooking the omelette first rather than turning on the grill or turning on the oven.
Now we wait for that. We get our knife and fork.
Get your knife and fork. This is Oliver's breakfast, guys. He absolutely loves this.
going to get our water.
Water. Much water are you trying to drink a day, buddy?
About 2 liters.
2 litres. 2 litres of water. Definitely. This camera's actually not a bad camera person, Oliver, am I? Right, how's this omelette looking, young man?
Good.
Right, we'll try this. Let's see it now. Happy days. Take off that plate. We can look at it. Oh, that looks absolutely great. You know, really, really lovely. And guys, this bit here is a bit of fun here. And then I always like to serve my omelette just a little bit, not undercooked, but just a little bit runny. And to be honest now, that's the way Oliver has been serving his. And then obviously when you fold it over, it still keeps cooking anyway. Oliver, that looks great, buddy. There you go. Ah, Oliver, that looks amazing, young man. Brilliant, young fella. Absolutely great. Really, really good, buddy. That looks absolutely